Einstein for Developers, a VS Code extension that can boost developers' productivity when working with Salesforce development. Behind the scenes, it uses the CodeGen 2.5 large language model to show the results. Interestingly, the model uses half the size of parameters as compared to its previous versions. To install the extension, head over to the extension menu of VS Code and search for Einstein for Developers. Now, in order to work with the extension, you must be connected to developer.org or a Scratch org, and you must enable the feature. To enable the feature in dev.org, head over to the setup menu and search for Einstein for Developers and turn on the feature. To enable the feature for Scratch org, prior to creating the Scratch org, update the Scratch org definition file found within the config folder. Inside the file, add Einstein GPT for Developers to the list of features. There are two ways to prompt your question. Number 1, using the command palette. Keep in mind that the command is only visible if the current active tab is either an Apex class or an Apex trigger. The response will get patched at the place of active cursor. Number 2, using the sidebar. Here you can ask a question, receive the response, and copy-paste the code wherever you like. The extension currently supports the following: adding new Apex functionality, writing Apex test classes, learning with examples, getting help with JavaScript, or even with Visualforce. When it comes to explaining code or perhaps altering the existing code, I prefer using ChatGPT as it provides more flexibility over Einstein GPT. However, I think you should play around with the tool and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, be safe and take care. Peace.